We always strive to provide the best products and materials possible, and that's why we're so excited to announce that Tornado Wire products are now available at Kencove. Tornado Wire is a favorite among contractors, and for good reason. It's rigorously tested and it's made with high quality materials that consistently exceed industry standards. Quality from factory to field is the Tornado difference that you'll find in every single roll. Let's take a look at a few of the Tornado products now available at Kencove. This is the Tornado Titan 949/6 hog and cattle fence. Features 9 horizontal strands with a 49-inch finished height and 6-inch vertical wire spacing. It's made with high-tensile wire that is both strong and easy to work with and easy to tension, and has the Titan fixed knot, which is the strongest knot style available for woven wire, giving you confidence in containment. This wire is also Class 3 galvanized for maximum lifespan. Next, we have the Tornado Taurus sheep and goat fence. This is a 13/48/4, so we have 13 horizontal strands, 48 inches tall, made with solid vertical wire stays for additional strength and support, while the 4-inch spacing prevents any heads or horns from getting caught. It features the Torus knot, which is a high-pressure bonded knot. It's like an S-knot or a stiff stay knot style. It's a clean-cut knot, no sharp edges to protect the livestock. This is also Class 3 galvanization, and it's available in 330 or 660-foot rolls. Tornado Wire manufactures taller and shorter versions of woven wire for equine and horse applications, like this 13/48/2. With 13 horizontal strands and a 48-inch finished height and close 2-inch vertical wire spacing. This prevents any legs or hooves from going through the fence, reducing the risk of injury, as well as the Torus knot with no sharp edges, like we mentioned earlier, reduces the chance of injury or catching manes or tails. It also reduces the chance of damaging expensive tack or horse blankets. This is Class 3 galvanization and comes in 100 or 200-foot rolls. Tornado Wire also manufactures full height options for deer fencing, including this 2096/6. 2096/6 has 20 horizontal strands reaching up to 96 inches tall with 6-inch vertical wire spacing. This is a great option for deer farms or deer inclusion. We also offer the 2096/12, which has 12-inch vertical wire spacing for a more economical deer exclusion option. It features the Titan fixed knot for maximum strength and security that can hold up to high animal pressure even from larger animals. And again, we're dealing with Class 3 galvanization, and this is available in 330-foot rolls. These are just a few examples of the options and configurations available with Tornado Wire now at Kencove. To view our entire lineup of Tornado Wire products, visit us at kencove.com, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all the new products, fencing tips, and expert advice.